Hello kids, today we will draw Angry Bird. So let's start. First draw a big oval shape. Draw it like a big circle in the middle. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Leave a gap in the top and draw the feather. Now draw a long curvy shape, like this. Now draw another long shape just like this. Well done, look, we draw the body outline. Now let's draw its mouth. Draw OT like a pyramid shape. Make it like triangle. Now draw another triangle on its opposite side. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now let's draw its angry face. First draw the eyebrows. Make it like a long box. Just draw like me, and it's done. Now draw the curved line and make the eyes. Now draw a small circle inside it. Draw a circle on other eye also. Look how angry it's looking. Now draw a big curved line and make the stomach. Lastly, draw its tail. Draw it like a box, like this. Now draw another box, but make it bigger. Good job, look, we draw total 3 tail. To make it more cute. Now let's draw a heart shape. Draw a big heart shape on left side. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Well done, now let's draw another heart shape on right side also. Draw the heart shape, and look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use red color and color the outline. Color carefully on its feathers also. Color both the feathers, like this. Now color the outline of eyebrows and stomach. Color slowly on the corner area and don't make any mistake. Good job. Now color up and down, up and down, up and down, and carefully fill the color. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Kids, can you tell what the angry bird name is? He is red color and have very thick eyebrows. Color the other side also. Slowly fill the color, and it's done. Now let's color the heart shape. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You can also use different colors and make it more cute. Color both the heart shape, like this. Well done, it's looking very great. Now use yellow color and color the mouth. Color the upper triangle first. Good job, now color the opposite triangle, just like this. Well done, now use skin color and color the stomach. You can also use cream color if you want. Color left and right, and it's done. Now use black color and color the eyebrows. Color only inside it, and don't make mistake. Now color also the tail. Color all the three tail, and it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now use gray color and draw some dark circle. Draw some oval shape and fill the color. Draw a small circle also. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, now use white color and draw a circle on the eye. Draw a small circle on both eyes. Now draw some line in the mouth, like this. Lastly, draw some line on its head, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. He is very angry, and his name is Red. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.